Okay, let's look on another couple nodes, and they're very same like stem segment. It's very similar to branch or trunk what we have it, and you can see the difference is only it is these preset parameters to match more as a grass or plant. In some cases, or flower, sorry. In some cases, if I'm going to create a flower or grass, I probably start using stem because many of these properties already preset for me. So I need to spend less time to adjusting and bring them to look like this. Okay, and next one, it is palm. And palm segment, it is have exactly the same properties as our branch trunk segment, all same properties, with only blades enabled this as a preset. You can see we have it blades enabled. And also if we look on materials, we have it special materials with transparency on the side, so create this look alike shape for us. Again, this is a basic for you, so you can modify, but it's very good startup point and a safe some time to start, at least to create this. And after this, you can tweak around and create better, more accurate shapes to what plants you want to do it.